Well, you can hear Chargers football. That seems to be on while I'm playing with the horn, the foghorn deal. So you press, then press that again, and you, oops, press it, then you press again, then you press, this is for PA, I haven't pressed that, this is for fog. Oh, select, and now I'm going to select sail for the heck of it. And I think it's, and you can hear the horn. And now you can hear the Chargers. Probably I could listen to the Chargers in between the foghorns. So that's probably not bad. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So there's probably a way of fixing it so you don't hear anything. But foghorn will go off every 120. I don't know what it goes off on sailing, but anyway, on with playing with the toys.